Well, hello everybody. Hello Little Nevada community family. We are picking some peas today. They are ready to go. I just haven't had time to do it, but I said I got to pick these peas today. They are ready. So we're going to start over here. These are some cow peas. I'm going to pick some of these here. These some cow peas here. Some of them, not all of them, not ready to be picked. But let me see. The wind, we had some bad storms here and it blew all this over. But some of these peas is definitely ready to be picked. So let's do some picking. So I'm gonna get this off of here. Get this off of here. Yeah, like it's about ready to go. Some of them not quite ready, so I'm not gonna get those, but some of them that are ready, I'm gonna go ahead and get them. Go ahead and take that off. And yeah, we had some bad thunderstorms came through here and it blew all my plants over. Blew all my plants over. So let me see. Oh yeah. And I don't think I never had cow peas before. So yeah. I don't know. So let's move over here. Here's some. These are some sugar snap. I don't know if I ever had sugar snaps before, but we're gonna get some today though. Sugar snap. Let's get some of these here. And since I don't have a lot of everything, I'm just gonna cook them all together. Here go, let's get these in. Yeah, cause see they ready, y'all. They ready, look. They ready. They are ready. And the sun is beaming down. Ooh, they all back there. Let me see if I can get it. Hold on. Oh yeah, these are beautiful. Go ahead and pick this in. Look at that. These are nice sized peas. We'll get a little bit for supper. Oh yeah, we'll get a little bit for supper now. Ain't gonna be a whole lot, but we gonna get some. Yeah, this in. Yeah, when they like this in, I'm gonna go ahead and pick that. Oh yeah, pick this in. Yeah, I can't wait till we get those pigeon peas ready down there on the property. Oh, that's gonna be nice harvesting that. That is gonna be nice. Let me check one more time before I leave over here, y'all. Y'all see? Let me see. Oh, yeah, this in. Get this in. It's on the floor. On the ground. Y'all see anything else that might need to be picked? Do y'all see anything else? I'm going to go ahead and get this off here. I don't see nothing else at the moment. So let's move over into these black-eyed peas. We got some. Oh, here's one more. I'll go ahead and take that. We got some black-eyed peas too, right here. Beautiful, beautiful black-eyed peas. Yeah, the sun, I got to go ahead and pick them because the sun is really beaming down here. Oh yeah, see these ready. These are ready to go. I got to go ahead and get these off, y'all. They ready to go. They are ready to go. And that was just a couple of days I was telling Willie I need to pick these beans and look at them. Yep. Ready to go. So how's your day going? Well, my day is going good. Been a busy week. But it's been a blessed week. Thank the Lord. Thank the Lord. Here's some more over here. I'm going to go ahead and pick these in, y'all. Oh, look at this here. This is nice. Isn't that nice? Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and pick them. Go ahead and pick them. Go ahead and get this here. Well, I thank y'all for coming along with me on this journey today, picking peas. Oh, it feels so good to harvest stuff out your own garden. It feels wonderful to harvest stuff out your own garden. That's what I'm saying. We got to be self-sustainable and, you know, be sustainable. You know, do your little farming, your backyard garden. You see these here, right? Y'all see these here? These are the pots. You see these pots right here? Look at these pots. These are 5-gallon food grade pots. 5-gallon food grade pots. And you can grow this in your backyard. You can grow this on your porch. You know what? Because when push comes to shove, I don't know about y'all, but I don't want to be fighting nobody in the grocery stores over no canned goods. And that's why I'm canning and I have my own stuff, food preservation. Get your own stuff. Don't depend on the government. Don't depend on the government. Because food prices going up. Every time you look around, everything going up. Everything going up but the wages. They ain't going up. They ain't going up on pay, but they're going up on food. Light bill going up, the water bill going up, everything going up. So that's why you got to be self-sustainable. Start your own garden. And look at these peas, they're so cute. They ain't that big, but they're ready, y'all. They ready. They ain't that big, but I can feel they are ready. They are ready to be picked. They are ready to be picked. Oh yeah. But can y'all imagine when we get down there? When we get down there on the property and start picking those pigeon peas, you know how that's gonna be? Oh my God. Oh my God. That's gonna be a day. Oh, what a time, oh, what a time. I'm gonna have picking some peas down there. Some pigeon peas. Oh yes. Oh, what a time. I can't wait till that day. But got to wait because they got to get right. But these are the black-eyed peas. I've been wanting some black-eyed peas. Oh, but these some beautiful plants though. Look at him. And look. Pretty good sizes. These are decent size. These are decent sized peas, y'all. Yeah, I feel it. That feel right. That's ready. Some of them ain't that big, but I can feel by the texture of the bean that is ready to be picked. It's ready to be picked. Sometimes it might not be long enough, but you can tell by the texture of the beans, they ready to be picked. They are ready to be picked. There's another one over here. Well, I picked quite a bit. I picked quite a bit. Let me see. Yeah, I see a couple over here. Let me get over here. Right here. Go ahead and get these here. Go ahead and get these here. That's why I tell them, Will, I got to get out here and get these beans. Got to get these beans. Well, it didn't take that long to germinate either. I forgot what day we planted them, but they ready. They are ready. I got one here. I'm gonna go ahead and get that on. Yep. They are ready. Well, y'all, we picked quite a bit. We picked quite a bit. We picked quite a bit of beans. Got me some cow peas, some black-eyed peas, and some sugar peas. But I'm just gonna cook them all together since I ain't got a whole lot. But look at these plants though, they are beautiful though. These are getting, you see a little yellow leaves on here because these things is taking a beating. This sun in Florida, in Central Florida, it has been hot, y'all. We got a 3-day hot wave, a 3-day heat wave coming up again. A 3-day heat wave coming up again. Yeah, so we got a little bit, y'all. I'm pleased with that. That'll give us a little pot there for supper. That'll give us a little pot there for supper. I'm pleased with that there. But I just wanted to bring y'all along right quick here on this backyard gardening, picking my beans. My beans, my peas. Cooking my peas. And I'm telling y'all, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot. But I thank y'all for coming along. And if you enjoyed this content and would like more content like this, make sure you check out all the videos we got. But look at my peas. A beautiful pea harvest. I am so pleased with my peas. And as always, don't y'all forget, make sure y'all hit that button now, hit that like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.